Hello and welcome to Stacklii. I would love to give you a quick overview of the system, what you can expect, how to get started, and showcase a few of the features for you. So if you land on stacklii.com, on the homepage you can get quite a lot of information regarding the system, what it is about. But under the features page, there are quite a number of different pages that you can visit, which will show you what the system can do. In a quick nutshell, Stacklii is an all-in-one website builder. It's a system where you can build websites, blogs, you can build your funnels, whether it is lead generation or sales funnels. You've got independent landing page builders with very easy drag and drop system that you can use. You don't need to have any special coding knowledge or skills, or even any design skills or experience, because you can do everything using the pre-built templates inside the system. You can create bookings and appointments where people can schedule meetings with you. You can build email campaigns, once-off email campaigns, and automations to automate your business. You can build online courses and different membership sites. You've got a CRM, a customer relations manager, built into the system where you can keep track of all your customers, what actions they take, what purchases they make, etc. You have an easy payment gateway integration that can take multiple different payment processes from Stripe, PayPal, Braintree, PayFast, and more. There are quite a lot of different payment gateways that you can integrate with the system. And you can also build a full e-commerce website. You can sell physical products, digital products, services, or memberships. So how do you get started with the system? Well, first of all, you can just click on the Start Free Trial, and you just fill in your information. As soon as you fill in your information, you can jump straight into the builder and start building your website. The other way is to go to templates, where you can first browse through the available templates if you want to. Just click on website if you want to build a complete website, and scan through the different options that is available. You can preview any of the websites, click on the view template, and go into this site. Go and browse around, have a look at what it looks like. If this is something that looks interesting to you, or that suits your brand or your business that you would like to work with. Once you're happy, click on Start with this theme, and you can go straight into the builder. Now, once inside the builder, let's quickly go through all the menus and the options. This is one of the templates that I chose for this demo account. Now, on the side, you've got all your different pages where you can get access to the various different pages, the website pages themselves, the blog pages, the property list. This is the online store labeling for this template. And you have system pages. That is default pages built into the system for you. That's already been built, like registration pages for members, login pages, checkout pages, cart pages, those kinds of things. As soon as you click on one of the pages, it will load that page into the builder for you so that you can start editing it inside of the drag and drop builder. Not only can you do pages, but you can also build pop-ups. Then you have a pretty decent standard set of widgets that you can put into your system, and it is as easy as dragging and dropping it into your system. Let's change this to a white heading, and you can start typing anything here. If you are not happy with where things are on the website, you can drag and drop them, you can resize them, you can set your borders, your margins, your padding, everything you can do just by dragging and dropping things. Under the menu, you can also do global styling. You've got access to all your funnels. Currently, this one does not have a funnel in it, but this is where you will be able to see all your funnels and access all the website settings. In the top, you've got your builder, where we are now, your store, which is your online store, your e-commerce store, where you can sell your products, your services, whether it is through the website or through the funnel. The contacts tab is your That's your CRM system. That's where you keep contact with all your customers. Appointments is where you schedule all your bookings and load your operators. Emails and automations is where you send your email campaigns from, where you build your automations and create the flows and the customer journeys that your customers will go through on your site or your funnels. The YouTube tab is the YouTube channel for Stacklii, where you can get additional help, resources, and some video material. And then the Academy is also part of training that we do. And I'll talk a little bit about the support and training later in this video. So, if you want to work on your website or your funnels, if you go to this top menu, let me just go there again, this top menu, My Sites and Funnels, is where you can access all your funnels or your websites. If you want to create a new website, click on Create a New Website, build that. If you want a new funnel, click on Add a New Funnel, go and play around with the templates, choose the template you want to start with, and load it. As easy as that. Once you are in the system, if you want to start building on the blog side of it, just click into your blog system. If your page does not have a blog yet, your website, click on Add New, and your blog will be under here. Just select your blog. But you can now come in and create and style your blog pages as you wish. You create all your content, load it in, edit the page. You've got access to all different kinds of settings, set your tags, your categories, your post dates, all those kinds of things. Let's jump into the store and have a look. In the store, you've got your dashboard, which is an overview of your entire online store, where you can see your sales, your subscriptions, upsells, downsells, your top performers by products or customers. You can view all your orders. You can have a look at all your products, the subscriptions that you have. You can create discount vouchers and coupon codes. You can change the layout and the styling of your online store to suit your needs. And even after setting the style, you can still go into the builder and custom it. And then you've got all your different settings inside of the store. Now, something that I do want to show you in this is obviously you need to set your general store details. Under the general tab, this is where you would set your currency. And you can set almost any currency in the world to your website. Select the symbol that you want to use and all the other settings around your store. You can add in some shipping rules if you want to charge by price or by weight range for different packages, different countries, different locations. You can set your shipping rules if you're selling physical products that you need to send someone. You can set up all your taxes over here. And the payment integrations are amazing. You can do Stripe, Braintree, to checkout, PayPal, and more. You've got PayFast, Authorized.net. There's quite a number. You can even do, if you want to, on delivery, connect that on delivery payment or bank transfers. Although I would not recommend that. I mean, it's always nice to process payments before checkout. So the norm is to check or to add in one of these payment processes. And then on the checkout side, you can just add in a little bit of the policies and details and things like that. On the contact side, this is also one of the nice features. I'm glad I'm seeing this now. So as soon as you go into this section, there's a little bit of a help video. Throughout the entire system, you can get help videos that will either randomly pop up or will show up in different menus, and I'll show you a few of them. But under your contacts, this is where you can create all your memberships. You can see all the messages that people have submitted, all the bookings and appointments that's been made, and you can access your emails and automations from here. Inside of settings, you can set your custom properties, which is your user fields or your contact fields. You can set your tags, and you can do all your basic membership settings and create all your different memberships if you need to. Under appointments, this is where you do your bookings. And once again, you get a nice little help tutorial video. You can create different booking events. You can create your own scheduling around events. You can load different operators. So you can have multiple operators, each one with its own service. So if one operator can give service in terms of training and support and coaching, whatever the case is, One operator can have multiple services. And if you're getting stuck with this, there's another help video. If you click on this, it will open up a guided tutorial on how to use this system. Your emails and automations is where all the emails happen. A nice video showing you how to create your once-off campaigns, right? So you've got your normal campaign, which is typically like your newsletter or updates about your products or your services or whatever the case is. Automations is where you create your customer journey flows, where if people submit a form, they go into a specific automation, sending them specific emails at specific days. You can tag them, add them to lists, those kinds of things. Then you have your lists and subscriptions, where you manage all the lists, subscriptions, all the tags, and all your members. You've got a variety of email templates that you can choose from, and you can even create your own. So you can take any of these templates, go into the editor, duplicate it, and create your own templates. You have to also connect your email or a domain for your email. This is literally just to verify your email so that systems like Google and those guys don't pick you up as spam, so that they actually see that you are a legit person or a business sending emails. So it's very important to come in here, connect your domain, and then you can also spend some time on your branding details for your emails. Right. What other features do we have in the system? Or not features, things that we can have a look at that you might benefit from is in your dashboard. There is, if you go into your dashboard, there is a section called affiliate and referral. If you click on the affiliate and referral, you can earn a 30% commission on any referral that you make towards Stacklii. So if you refer someone, they create an account and they start paying and using Stacklii, you will earn 30% of whichever package they chose for the rest of your life, or as long as they remain a customer of Stacklii. So you can build yourself a nice little income on the side by just spreading the word about Stacklii. So all you do is go into your affiliate dashboard, follow the steps, and go create links for yourself. Once you created your account, you will be in a trial account. You get 14 days. The 14-day trial account is purely, or not purely, it's a time frame where you can take your website live and you can send emails. After the 14 days, your account does not disappear. You still have access. The only difference is you can't publish your website and you cannot send any emails. So once you're ready to upgrade and you finished building, come into the billing section and select any one of the plans that you want to work with and just process the payment, go through the system. It will start taking, it actually shows you when your next billing cycle would be. You can choose whether it is a yearly or a monthly package, however you want to select it. And then you can take your website live and start running with it. You can also add in admins. So people that you want to join, want you to join in your site if you've got a team. So you can select to which the sites or funnels. If you have more than one website or more than one funnel, they will all show up in this list. You can select which site you want to give people access to, and then what level. If you want a specific person to just work on the CRM side, you can give them access. If you want someone else to only see analytics and make decisions on billing or contributors, that's where you select this. If you want one of your designers to actually build and work in the site, you give them access to all these features. So you can select who gets what type of access. Add the email address and send them an invite. Easy as that. Now, getting support. If you get stuck, how do you learn how to use the system, or where do you get assistance? Inside the main view, there's the Academy tab. If you open that up, it is a series of videos and training, step-by-step tutorial videos that shows you how Stacklii works. And you can scan through all these categories, go and have a look at how the system is used, and how you can build your inner pages, how to generate leads for your business, and all these kinds of things. So you've got a very nice video library inside of the Academy. The other option is on the left-hand side. There's a little help widget at the bottom. As soon as you click on that, this opens up the Stacklii knowledge base. Inside of the knowledge base, you can get access to help files and articles, whatever you want to search for. You can get either video tutorials, or there would be some sort of a help file. So if you want to know how to put in your Facebook pixel, for argument's sake, just type it in. There's a help article on seeing the Facebook pixel. Or if you want to connect your custom domain, I just have to spell it correctly. If you want to connect your custom domain, there's the help file on how to do this, step-by-step tutorial on how to connect your domain. And that is how you get assistance inside the system. Now, if you feel like you need more assistance, just head back to stacklii.com, go to the resources tab at the top, and here you can either get access to the Academy or the help articles, but you can also book a 15-minute support call where during this 15 minutes we can talk about anything, whether it is creating your site, anything you are getting stuck with, how to get started, strategies, whatever you want to talk to inside of this 15-minute time frame. But you are welcome to book a 15-minute support call. So head over to stacklii.com. If you don't yet have your account, go and create your 14-day trial. Go play and enjoy it. I can't wait to see what you come up with and what type of website and funnels you start building.